Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to calibrate your monitor colors in Windows 11 to ensure what you're seeing on screen is actually accurate. Windows has a built-in calibration tool that helps you dial in the perfect gamma, brightness, and color balance. First, click the Start button, type Calibrate Display Color, and press Enter. This opens the Legacy Display Color Calibration wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to adjust your gamma. You'll want to move the slider until the dots in the center of the circles disappear. Next, the tool will guide you through brightness and contrast settings. Use the physical buttons on your monitor to make these adjustments while looking at the reference images provided. Finally, you'll reach the color balance page. Adjust the red, green, and blue sliders to remove any noticeable color tint from the gray bars. Once finished, click Current Calibration to compare your new look with the old one, then click Finish. And that's it. Your monitor is now showing its true colors. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.